Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is WH Creator, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to send files from your PC to your mobile device using Bluetooth. It's super simple, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it in no time, so let's jump right in. First, let's start with identifying your computer's name. On your PC, right-click on this PC, and click on Properties. Here, you'll see your computer's name, which in our case is WH. Take note of that. Next, go to your taskbar, click on the notification area, and find the Bluetooth icon and click on it once to turn it on. Now, click on Show Hidden Icons in the taskbar. Right-click the Bluetooth icon, then select Show Bluetooth Devices. Now, grab your mobile device and head to the settings. Find the Bluetooth option and make sure it's turned on. Back on your PC, click on Add Bluetooth or other devices to start the pairing process. Or you should see your mobile device listed as an WH, that's our PC. Click on it, and you'll get a pairing request on both your PC and mobile. Check that the pin matches on both devices, then click Yes on your PC and pair on your mobile. And just like that, you're connected. Alright, now let's move on to sending files. On your PC, go to the Show Hidden icon and right-click on Bluetooth and click Send File. If you want to receive a file, you can click Receive File, and I've already made a video on that, which link you can check out in the description below. Now, let's click on Send File. And you'll see your mobile device, TechnoSpark 20, listed. Select it. Now click on Next. Now, browse to the location of the file you want to send. You can select it from anywhere. For this example, I'll choose a Word document from desktop which is in folder 1 called, and the document name is Amazon. Once selected, click Open. Then, click Next. Your mobile will get a notification asking you to accept the incoming file. Just click Accept, and the transfer will start. You'll see the progress on both your mobile and PC. And just like that, the file has been successfully transferred. You can now find the file on your mobile device. Easy, right? If you prefer another method, simply locate the file you want to send. For example, we'll choose a file from the desktop, inside a folder. Remember, you cannot send an entire folder, you must select the specific file. In this case, we'll simply right-click on Document Name 2. Then select Centers and choose the Bluetooth device. Select your mobile device again, click Next, and hit Accept on your mobile. Once the transfer is complete, you'll find the file on your mobile just like before. Now, let's check the files on our mobile device. As you can see, both files are available, one named Amazon and the other named 2. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide useful and that you can now easily send files from your PC to your mobile device using Bluetooth. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.